Welcome to the AI-Powered Financial Analyst, from data cruncher to strategic advisor. This video will provide a comprehensive, detailed explanation of how AI is fundamentally transforming the role of a financial analyst, focusing on new tools, skills, and strategic workflows. The advent of AI has sparked a critical debate. Is it a threat to human jobs or an unprecedented opportunity? For financial analysts, it's definitively the latter. The future isn't human or AI. It's human plus AI, forming a powerful synergy that redefines value creation in finance. We're shifting from mere data crunching to strategic advisory. One of AI's most immediate impacts is its ability to automate the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that have long been a staple of the financial analyst's day. AI excels at automated data aggregation, pulling information from diverse sources, eliminating manual entry errors, and significantly speeding up the process. This extends to sophisticated financial modeling and forecasting, where AI can rapidly analyze vast datasets to generate more accurate and dynamic projections than traditional methods. Consider earnings call analysis. Historically, analysts would meticulously listen to hours of calls. AI can now transcribe, summarize, identify key financial metrics, flag specific keywords, and even perform sentiment analysis on executive commentary, providing immediate, actionable insights and freeing up analysts for deeper qualitative work. Beyond mere automation, AI empowers analysts with unprecedented insights, allowing them to uncover hidden patterns and opportunities that were previously impossible to detect. AI significantly enhances due diligence by rapidly sifting through vast amounts of information, from company filings to news articles, to identify risks and opportunities. Furthermore, sentiment analysis, once a nascent concept, is now refined, allowing analysts to gauge market and investor sentiment toward specific companies or sectors by analyzing social media, news, and other unstructured text data. AI transforms competitive intelligence. It can monitor competitor activities in real time, track product launches, pricing changes, strategic partnerships, and even analyze their online presence and customer reviews. This provides a dynamic, 360-degree view of the competitive landscape, enabling analysts to provide proactive strategic advice. The evolving role of the financial analyst demands a new set of skills, shifting the focus from number crunching to strategic interpretation and effective communication. Foremost among these is AI literacy, understanding how AI tools work, their capabilities, and their limitations. Equally crucial is prompt engineering, the art of crafting precise and effective queries for AI models to extract the most relevant and accurate information. This skill is becoming as fundamental as Excel proficiency. The analyst's role is increasingly about interpreting AI-generated insights, applying critical thinking, and translating complex data into actionable strategic advice. This requires strong data interpretation skills, strategic foresight, and enhanced soft skills like communication, collaboration, and ethical reasoning. The optimal workflow for financial analysts in the AI era isn't about replacing humans, but fostering effective collaboration between human expertise and artificial intelligence. AI handles the heavy lifting of data processing and pattern recognition, while humans apply their unique capabilities, judgment, intuition, and the ability to build and maintain relationships. AI lacks common sense, emotional intelligence, and the nuanced understanding of market psychology that seasoned analysts possess. It's a partnership where each augments the other. The market is rapidly filling with specialized AI tools designed to empower financial analysts, each addressing a specific need within the workflow. Tools like AlphaSense leverage AI for advanced document search and sentiment analysis across vast datasets. Sembly AI focuses on AI-powered meeting notes and action item extraction. TrendSpider utilizes AI for technical analysis, automating chart pattern recognition and trend identification, saving countless hours of manual review. Vina is a corporate performance management (CPM) platform enhanced with AI for forecasting and budgeting. LEGALFLY uses AI to analyze legal documents for compliance and risk. QuantConnect provides an AI-powered platform for quantitative finance, allowing analysts to backtest and deploy algorithmic trading strategies with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The financial industry is undergoing a profound transformation, and with it, the very nature of finance careers is evolving. We are entering the age of augmented intelligence, where AI doesn't just assist but elevates human capabilities. This shift will lead to evolving job titles, such as AI augmented financial strategist, data science analyst, or quantitative insight specialist, reflecting the blend of traditional finance skills with cutting-edge AI proficiency. As AI becomes more integrated into financial decision-making, it's imperative to address the critical ethical considerations to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. Algorithmic bias is a significant concern, where AI models might perpetuate or amplify existing biases in financial data. Transparency, or explainable AI x AI, is crucial, allowing analysts to understand how AI reaches its conclusions. Lastly, robust data privacy measures are paramount to protect sensitive financial and personal information processed by AI systems. The reskilling imperative is clear. Financial professionals must continuously upskill in AI literacy, data science, and strategic thinking to remain relevant. Embrace AI as your most powerful tool, not a replacement. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial professional for personalized guidance.